Good morning, students. As all of you know that we are in the lockdown situation. That's why our respected manager and principal have organized online classes for the welfare of the students. So I am here through this video and I will teach you English grammar, and our first topic is sentence. Sentence. What is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense by itself. Example: John works hard. I like to read books. These both sentences have a complete sense, so we can say that these are sentence. Features of a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. It begins with capital letter. It ends with a full stop, an exclamation mark, or a question mark. Now, we can say that a sentence can be divided into two parts or more parts also. But firstly, we will divide it into only two parts. Parts of a sentence. Every sentence has two parts, namely a subject and a predicate. Subject and predicate. Subject part. The subject is a first part of a sentence that tells what a sentence is about. Now we will talk about predicate. The predicate is the second part of a sentence that says something about the subject. Example: Ram reads a book. In this sentence, Ram subject and the remaining part of the sentence is predicate. Now we will talk about the features of the subject and predicate parts. The subject is always a noun or a pronoun or a group of words that does the work of a noun. Example: the old palace is considered haunted. The dark color words are all in subject parts. And the second example: all the boys are in the ground. The dark color words are subject here. Now, the predicate may consist of one word or several words, with the essential word being a verb. Example: my dress is beautiful. My. The dark color word is beautiful are predicate here. Now we will clear all the points by giving some sentence. Identify the subject and the predicate. Sentence number 1. Meena has come first in the race. In this sentence, Meena is subject and has come first in the race is predicate. In the second sentence, lazy boys come last. Here, lazy boys subject and come last predicate. In the third sentence, the sun rises in the east. In this sentence, the sun is subject and the remaining part of the sentence rises in the east predicate. In the fourth sentence, the foolish crow tried to be the peacock. In this sentence, the foolish crow is subject and tried to be the peacock predicate. In the last or fifth sentence, I have met Raman's father. In this sentence, I, subject, and have met Raman's father, predicate. So, according to these details, I will give some homework. You will do these sentence at your home in divided into two parts. Number one, the sun is very hot. That dog bites. The lame man with a stick slipped. His elder brother shouted. The yellow mangoes in the basket are sweet. An old tiger was sitting under a tree. So, according the above sentence, students, you will divide into two parts, subject and predicates, at your home. Okay, students, today we will end this work. Have a nice day today. We will meet tomorrow.